Today we're featuring a 2014 Kia Soul. It's got 48,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax one owner and is still covered under factory warranty. Silver metallic in color. Go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. It does have the nice vents above the windows here. Driver's side of it looks really good. Make our way down the passenger side. Exterior of this Kia is in really good shape. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Got the black and gray door panels, power locks, power windows, power mirrors. Alright, it does have black seating in here, but the back of the seat is actually like a titanium. Alright, you can see right there, and then in the butt of the seat there, it's black cloth. But the driver's seat's in good shape. Comes with 2 keyless entry key fobs. Alright, passenger seat looks good too, no problems there. You know what, I'm gonna go ahead and walk around, get some more light in on that side so you can really see the texture of the chair and see if there's anything wrong with it. Let's do that there. We'll go ahead and lift up the back hatch too. Alright, now let's take a look again. Alright, there we go. Alright, now you can really see passenger seat's in really good shape. Alright, it is an automatic. It's got your power supply, auxiliary USB port down there, climate control area here, and then this is going to be your display for the radio and whatnot, and I'll show you that in a second. It does have steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 48,973 miles on it. Now that we've got it started here, get you another view of the display screen here, your climate control area, your auxiliary and USB ports. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Oh, one more thing. AC, it's already blowing nice and cold. No problems there. Carpet back here is in good shape. Alright. Black cloth looks good. Alright, no issues back here with the back seat cloth. Go ahead and pull the console down there. Got your cup holders here. Let me go ahead and flip this light, see if we can get some more light in here. There we go. Now let's take a look again. There we go, now you can really see the seats. Alright, well taken care of. Give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look in the back. Alright, plenty of space back here. Got some more storage there. Alright, but these seats do fold forward, and that'll really open it up back here. But plenty of space back here in this Soul. Let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. Alright, we've got 16-inch alloys, brand new set of tires. Alright, once again, so 2014 Kia Soul, 48,000 miles on it, clean Carfax, one owner, still under factory warranty. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.